What are you doing?
Officials have urged residents
Hmm?
to avoid flood zones and report
What are you
structural
doing?
damage
Chilling?
or hazardous material leaks. Utility crews continue working around
What are
the
you
clock
doing, Lily Bell?
to restore services, while public health warnings remain in place due to potential
Ooh,
contamination.
y'all, it's gonna be 100, almost 110 in Omaha today. So, I got y'all a little cool. So you can stay cool while Mama's at work.
Our sincere condolences are extended to all families and individuals affected by these devastating floods. We honor the memories of those lost and hope their souls
She always think them birds is talking to her.
the grief and hardship experienced by
Look
these
at her.
communities are deeply acknowledged. May strength and resilience support
This is not a hot girl summer, Lily Bell.
challenging journey of recovery.
Right. Tell her, Sky. Look at her.
If you found this report informative, consider liking and sharing it.
Just starting around, huh?
Experiences or thoughts in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay aware.
What's the issue, girlfriend? Hmm?
A care experience that celebrates better outcomes in the magic of childhood. Children's Nebraska.
Hi, baby. What are you doing? Hmm?
Turning up the pressure. Meet Max Messer. Now, 20 years old, Max runs his own pressure washing company. With a team of 4 employees and $50,000 worth of equipment, dirt and grime coat,
Why do you always think that them other birds is talking to you?
all sorts of exterior cleaning. And that's just driveway pressure washing.
Mm.